Let's talk a little bit about the warranty on this system, the Maverick CNC, and I haven't had to use it on mine and probably won't have to use it. But anyway, the Hypertherm plasma cutter, the power supply and internal components of the power supply have a 2-year warranty, and that can be handled through a local distributor if you need to, but probably best to go back through Maverick CNC. The torch on the Hypertherm system is a 1-year warranty. It's just a little bit more of a heavily used part. It can be dragged, broken on the plate. Fortunately, the Maverick is going to protect it with its torch breakaway device, so you should get plenty of time out of that. And the Maverick machine itself has an industry standard 1-year warranty, and nicely, it's built with a lot of non-proprietary parts so that you can get, some components you could probably get locally if you're in a situation where you need a bearing or something along that line. So that all works out pretty good. So 1-year industry standard, and don't forget the lifetime tech support is there to help you out.